Hello folks on YouTube. Today we are quickly unboxing a WaterWolf underwater fishing camera. This camera is attached to your fishing line behind the hooks and records what is happening in the hook area. Here you'll see a lot of parts you get that you use to balance and attach the unit to your line. You also get manuals in 4 different languages. Here you can see that the camera unit itself is about 12 centimeters long. This is the camera that will be watching your lure and attacking fish. A final good look at the unit itself before we say thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.